Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys the best fusion in Plants vs. Brainrot. I will have to remove Mr. Carrot. So here I'm just going to get Mr. Carrot and press yes. You'll need Mr. Carrot and Lost Traletos. It's a secret one. Both are secret. So I'm just going to fuse both of them here. Lost Traletos. Oh, you know what? Let's do the carrot first. Mr. Carrot, place plant, and then you'll need the Lost Traletos. I'm not even going to attempt to say it. Then I'm just going to fuse machine, and I'm going to wait for, okay, so if it's like a secret one, you'll need to wait 7 minutes, and I'll be right back with the finished results and how much it's going to like make, I guess. And 3, 2, 1. This is what the Brainrot looks like once it's done fusing. Lost Mr. Garotitos, if I said that correctly. Let's see. It's going to be in your inventory. And let's see if it's going to make it here. If it's not, then that means it's not the best fusion. I don't know. So let's equip this Brainrot. Did it make it? Oh, it did make it. It's here. It gives 65,000 per second, which I think it's worth it. But yeah, the items you need, like the Brainrot and plants you need, it is a little bit tricky to get, but you can trade with people and stuff like that. But yeah, that is it. I hope it was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I'll try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.